Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I would like to introduce the new ICO called Masscryp. It's on the masscryptoken.io homepage and they call it the first decentralized advertisement platform. This ICO is actually going to launch in the coming 10 hours. So at the moment I'm recording this, the ICO has not yet launched. It will launch on the 28th of November at 9 AM UTC. So if you're in GMT, that's 9 o'clock in the morning, and that's 1 hour later in most of Western Europe, GMT +1, so 10 o'clock in the morning. So what do they actually have on the website so far? They have the white paper. If I click on white paper, you see the white paper opens. The white paper is 27 pages and it's about the Masscryp enterprise and what they're planning to do. The platform white paper is due to updates, as they say it's just version 1.1, and as the team develops more IDs or content, they will provide it to the public in this white paper. So basically it says something about the Masscryp enterprise, what projects they're currently working on. So only the Massconnects project is currently in there. In the future there might be more projects that are connected to the Masscryp token. So the blockchain technology, it's talked about and described in detail in the white paper. Then there is the key milestones accomplished, the roadmap, the market strategy, and something about the initial coin offering, which is of course why most of us are investing in Masscryp, because we believe in the coin and we hope that the coin will increase in value when it hits the exchanges somewhere early 2018. So let's go through the white paper. First of all, they give a small summary and they say that Masscryp is a new way to contribute to, well, basically they say that blockchain technology is a new way to contribute to innovation and it enables new kind of innovations. The company is based in Dubai. The English in the document is not perfect, but it's because the creators and owners of the company are technical guys from India. So they are actually working from Dubai. They moved there in a new office, but the guys are technicians and the English is not always perfect. But let me show you something. You can read this yourself. Just go to the website masscryptoken.io and open the white paper. But let me show you how I know that they are technical guys. Well, basically the technical blockchain technology chapter is really detailed. So they first explain what proof of work is. That's like a general blockchain technology aspect. Then they explain the script hash. Then they start talking about the actual Python code included and the script packages used. Then they talk about how transactions are being basically protected in the blockchain that Masscryp will be using. The traceability is explained, the mathematical proof, which is actually just mathematical formulas being explained, and then the network propagation. So that's all really technical stuff. Now let's go to the most interesting things, at least to me. Already in October 2016 they started mapping and planning this whole project called Massconnects. Then in 2016 they set up their first mining service to test how that worked. Then in March this year, 2017, they started education and awareness. They started training people in India to become more aware of what they're going to do with the project Massconnects and hiring more people actually. So in August they developed the marketing team. Then in October the foundation for Massconnects was basically set in Dubai, where they actually have their office. And now in November, they just announced that they tied up with Accessis Group. And if we go to accessisgroup.com, and if we go to that website, you will see that accessisgroup.com is like a blockchain lab in India. They are ranked among the top 100 blockchain organizations. They have lots of events, and if you look at their technology, they actually explain what they're doing, and You can see where their solutions are currently being deployed, and it's actually a good thing that Masscryp, being a new innovative idea to revolutionize the, what do they say again, to revolutionize the advertisement sector by making an advertisement platform running on blockchain applications and smart contracts. And the fact that they partner up with a key player in the blockchain development sector, that's really good, because they know that Accessis has the knowledge to do this for them. And as you can see, it's one of the leading blockchain developers and advisors for Masscryp, Massconnects development and support. Okay, so then the next section of the white paper, it's the roadmap of growth model. So it's pretty basic what they say here, but in the fourth quarter, the quarter that we're in right now, in 2017, the distribution of the Masscryp tokens will start. Then in the first quarter of 2018, they are planning to be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Of course, this is just a statement. We don't know which exchanges will be included, but this will be known in the future and will hopefully be updated in this white paper. Then they are looking to partner up with advertisement agencies in Europe and USA, and with travel agencies and restaurants in Asia, Africa, Middle East, and Europe. So that's the second quarter of 2018 after the coin launched onto the major exchanges. So then in the third quarter of 2018, they are looking to launch Massconnect, and that's the actual platform that we're investing in. The Massconnect first decentralized advertisement and e-commerce or commerce portal. Then in the last quarter, so that's 1 year from now, the license will be obtained to offer a lending solution. They will own their own mining pool for mining solutions, and they will add multiple cryptocurrencies on peer-to-peer trading platforms. So they're actually planning to do quite a lot of stuff in the coming year. And the good thing is that we're here. We're actually at the start of everything. So if you get in now, you actually have the chance to be in the ICO to own Masscryp tokens before they hit the exchanges. And if we take a look at the coin market cap, what you often see is when a new coin hits the exchanges. So let's say we're looking at, I'm just going to click a random one, not sure if it's a good example, but let's click on Augur, which is currently ranked at $29. And if we go to all, probably somewhere in this spike, it went onto some huge exchanges and the volume in the coin increased, as you can see, because here the volume was like a couple dollars per day, and then suddenly it starts spiking and you see 8k, 49k volume. So when a coin hits the exchanges, there are of course more people will be able to buy it, and if people start buying, then the price goes up, and we have the chance to actually get in the Masscryp token at 10 cents each, and they're looking to increase the price every 1 million coins sold. And if we go to the website, let me show you, the ICO is planned as following. So there's 5 million reserved for the company, then there's 5 million reserved for the founders and advisors. Let me show you this real quick. The team, so the founders and advisors of Masscryp are the following people. Those are the 3 founders, guys from India. They assemble the core team together with a couple of other guys. And then they have quite a few advisors who are all big marketing people, internet marketers with lots of experience, and people that have their own YouTube channels, Facebook groups, etc., etc. They are giving basically advice. And look, this is Blockchain Girls, he's quite famous. Then we have Sunny Kumar, he's working as Vice President Strategy at the Accessis Group. So it's quite interesting that Accessis Group is really helping Masscryp, also a company from India, so that's nice. They can work together, real nice, in their own language, to develop Masscryp and Massconnects, the advertisement portal, as I mentioned, to become the new social media e-commerce and video-based marketing platform to really disrupt the traditional social media e-commerce and video marketing sector or industry, I would say. So when we go back to the ICO page that I mentioned, 10 million will be available in the pre-ICO, then 10 million more in the actual ICO. The pre-ICO, that's already finished. The ICO, that's the public crowd sale, that will start tomorrow, as I said. They actually give 10 million to be sold to the public, so that's the 10 million we're talking about here, and the rest of the coins, so in total 300 million, of which 270 million will be mineable in the future. So that's good. Only 10% of the total amount of coins is released for the public right now. So then when we go to the white paper and we look for this further, they are looking to make the partnerships, as I mentioned, to increase their revenue, of course, and to make use of the network effect. If they partner with more companies, more people will know about it, then more companies will start partnering, etc., etc. It's like a snowball that keeps growing when it rolls down the hill. So some more info about the ICO. As I said, tomorrow is the 28th of November. Then the ICO opens. It will open the sale of Masscryp tokens with the initial price of 10 cents. So we can get in for 10 cents a token, which is a really good deal. Then the 14th of January 2018, the ICO will close. No more orders will be placed or accepted on the ICO platform. So I would say that if they reach the 10 million coins sales before the 14th of January, they will probably close it as well. Then they look to hit different exchanges on the 14th of February, so early next year. And this is actually really nice. We get a one-time profit of 20% on the Masscryp tokens that you as an individual hold at the time of the 14th of July. So if you manage to hold the coins for half a year, you will get rewarded 20%. I'm not sure if this is profit as in more coins being rewarded to you, or actual dollar value of the coins, like 20% of your total value in Masscryp tokens. But we will find out in the future about that, I guess. So what's more, the ICO planning, they have a strategic planning, tactical planning, operational planning. That's the 300 million, 10 million available. That's the 30 million, and then 10 million will be pre-ICO, 10 million in the actual ICO, and the 5 million for the organization and 5 million for the founders advisory. 90% mineable. Okay, so something about the pre-sale, what they did. You can read it all yourself. I'm not gonna go through everything. We already saw this image on the website. Price 10 cents, and it's looking to increase every 1 million tokens. 100,000 tokens, sorry, I said 1 million, but they actually, I think they mean 100,000 tokens, or they made a mistake and they forgot to add a zero, which is quite stupid if they did forget that. But let's say it's 100,000, that's even better, because we will be among the first ones to buy, and already after 100,000 tokens we will probably have to pay like 15 cents or 20 cents. Not sure how they're gonna do that, but we're gonna make money anyways. So the delivery, the mass tokens, they will be sent immediately to the buyers. They will have a mass wallet on the Masscryp ICO platform. So that's on this website. Somewhere they will add the possibility, which is not available right now, but they will add the possibility to make an account here, and then you will receive the tokens in that wallet. So that's quite nice that you don't have to go to like a external party to get your tokens. You just deposit, I think, Bitcoin in your account on this website, and then you can buy the tokens and get them straight away. And of course, they have some token sale terms where they say that you are making this decision to participate. They have no guarantees, etc., etc. The prices can vary according to the market demand, and that's all included in here as well. So guys, about Masscryp. Masscryp, they are looking to become the first decentralized advertisement platform. There's a group of Indian technicians that originally came with this idea, and they are now being supported by an advisory board that includes people from the UK, other places in Europe that have lots of experience with internet marketing and related areas. And the ICO is launching on the 28th of November, so that's like in 10 hours when I'm recording this. When you're watching this, it's probably already started. And I would say get in now. You have the chance to buy for 10 cents, and it's looking to increase in value automatically over the coming weeks. So guys, thank you for watching and enjoy the ride on the Masscryp token.